Today we are in Hospitalet de Llobregat. That is in a part of Catalonia which is not considered typical in this art of human towers. But we, the Borregasos de Vilanova, are in fact performing together with two teams from this area, from Baix Llobregat, the green team which we have in front of us, La Colla Jove de l'Hospitalet de Llobregat, and as you see later on in brown shirts, als Maptussers del Smolensk Terrey. Here we have La Colla Jove de l'Hospitalet building a 3x4, un 4x7, a 4x7. That is nice. It's truly nice to see how the teams, or new teams like this team, can build such a nice construction with relative stability. Beautiful. It's a bit of celebration there, which means that they are in fact achieving a bit of a challenge, but very well done. Very well done. Colla Jove de l'Hospitalet de Llobregat in Catalonia 2011.